Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I have here an iPod Classic 6th generation this is the second one that I got for free from that I got as a late Christmas present from one of my dad's friends. And he is a therapist, and this is one of his patient's old iPods from before he died. However, this iPod unfortunately doesn't hold a charge, as he even said, because it will boot up and then it'll immediately shut down. You can hear the hard drive spin down. But as you can tell right here, there's the black spot, which means that this iPod is battery is definitely expanding. So I don't have a replacement battery on here on me right now, because I just got this iPod today and I didn't even know that I was getting one. So I want to give a big thanks to my dad's friend for giving this, as this iPods are quite expensive to buy typically. And this is an 80 gig model and is actually in pretty good condition. However, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and take the old battery out of this thing for you, explore it, because these things can turn off without batteries. However, it's not safe to do so when the battery is expanding. So I have to go do that right now, and I will have a tutorial right beside me so that way I won't screw it up. So I will do now cut to a time lapse of me getting the old battery out. Now I'll be wondering where I ended off for today's for part one, unfortunately I wasn't able to get this iPod open. So I'll do some more consulting on social media on how you can help. Just FYI, do not try to poke a pencil through a charging port. That's how I got this Band-Aid. Don't ask me why I tried that, but because I was trying to get a small thing, thinking that a small thing maybe would help get it open. But that did not help, so this will just be part one. And part two, I'll get some better tools to use, and I'll also do some more consulting on social media to see how I can get help for fixing this iPod. So if you know anything on getting this iPod open, please let me know in the comments below. And also, I actually have a battery by part two, so maybe we'll actually be able to do a battery replacement by then. In fact, we will do a battery replacement by then if I can get this thing open. So, as always, thank you all for watching this video. I am the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.